This is going to be a video tutorial on how to wrap text around a circle in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have PowerPoint opened up now, and I have an image on my slide here. You could do this with images or shapes, it doesn't matter. I have an image here. First thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, and you want to click on the Insert tab. Insert. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to the far right side of the ribbon, and I'm going to click on Text Box. Then I'm going to go down to my slide and I'm going to draw out a text box. It doesn't really matter what size your text box is. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag out. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now I'm going to place my text in here that I want to wrap around that image. I'm just going to place some random text in here. I don't think I spelled that right, but that's okay. Anyways, next thing I'm going to do, I have my text selected. I have the bounding box around my text. I'm going to go up to the top up here to where it says Shape Format. I'm going to click on Shape Format. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go off to the side here, and I'm going to click on Text Effects. Text Effects. Then I'm going to go down towards the bottom to where it says Transform. Put my mouse cursor over Transform, and I'm going to go off to the right here, and I'm going to click this circular one here. I'm going to click on the circular one. Next thing I'm going to do, I still have my text selected and I'm on the Shape Format tab. I'm going to go off to the right over here to where it says Height and Width. I'm going to change the size of my text box here. And this is a part that you just have to work at. It depends on the size of your image. I'm going to try 3 inch by 3 inch. Now I'm going to move my text over. As you can see, my text box is not big enough yet. So I'm going to up this a little bit. I'm going to make it 4 by 4. Like I said, it just depends on the size of your image. Now I'm going to move my text over. That looks like it's about perfect there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the size of my text here. I'm going to triple click on my text to select all of my text. Then I'm going to go up to over here, and I'm going to increase the size of my font here. I'm going to make it about maybe 38. I'm going to change this here. That looks about right. And you could change the color of your font. You could do all kinds of other stuff over here. I'm going to leave mine about like that. And the next thing you can do, make sure your text is selected. The way I like to rotate, you could rotate your text using this little icon up here, this little circular arrow. You could just drag it from side to side, however it seems fitting for you. And that is how you wrap text around a circle using Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.